पॉसिबिलिटी सुबह ही पहुंच जाती है।
और बारिश भी होने वाला है,
बारिश भी हो सकता भी या नहीं भी है, कुछ नहीं बोल सकते।
इसलिए जल्दी निकल रहे।
ओके,
वहाँ होते रेस्ट।
हाँ वहाँ पे होटल का
Can actually, put keep a nice drum or something like that, and then dump everything in that corner one place. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ
Good morning guys, last day in Badrinath, end of Chardham trip. We are now in Mana village. I'm walking towards the main arch, the entrance of Mana village. Before it was called as the last village of India. Thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi, because of whom now this is named as first village of India. And the reason before it was called as Swargarohini, because this is the path towards heaven is what they actually believe and say. Because after the Kurukshetra, Pandavas walked in this route. After finishing Kedarnath Darshan and Badrinath Darshan, they walked towards the last village, that is Mana, Swarg ke Dwar, to attain salvation and to get free from all the sins that they have done during the Kurukshetra war. So here, when they walked, it was just Yudhishthira and the dog which reached heaven, because they never made any sins, they never did anything wrong. They had no wrong deeds during the entire Mahabharata period. And since Yudhishthira is Dharma ke Data, so he was the first person to reach heaven, and the rest just died on the way before they reached Swarg ke Dwar. So let's see how this goes. I'll show you how the view is.
कहाँ रह गया रे? तू कर लो फिर तो अन्ना।
You will see a lot of pashmina shawl stalls, like kaftans, a lot of woolen wares here. You can purchase and bargain at affordable price here. It was feeling really cold all this while, and now again it's like sun is shining bright. That side. So if we go till there, the temple, that's it? That's it.
नकुल
So right now this this is the place where you can see Saraswati, Ma Saraswati river flowing in Tez Gati, and there you will see the green camps that you see is an army base camp. So from there she gets disappeared, she goes into the earth, and then you will see her in Prayagraj next. So that is Saraswati Ma Mandir, and this is the Saraswati river. After passing through Swargrohini, where you saw all the Pandavas with the Shwan, there is a dog who reached the heaven first. Now I'm trying to see where exactly is the last step of Swargadwar. I mean, which is the last borderline of India from where Nepal starts. I'm so curious to know from where exactly Yudhishthira reached heaven. So let's see if I can explore. Today I'm feeling, I don't know, until I did Kedarnath trek I had too much of josh and energy, but now all my energy is drained, exhausted. This is Vyas Gufa entry path that I just crossed. This is Sri Ganesh Gufa, Mani Bhadrapuri. The 18 Indian epics, Puran and Mahabharata was composed here. This is Sri Ganesh Gufa. This is exactly where Rishi Vedavyas was narrating the Mahabharata story, the story of Kurukshetra, and Ganeshji was sitting here and writing with his Ekadant. Parikrama marg, it seems. Let us see what is here. Okay, maybe people are trying to stack some coins. This is a Ganesh Gufa. Going inside, it is little steep. Coming out now. Okay, that is the cave where Vyas Muni narrated Mahabharata and Ganeshji wrote Mahabharata. Then you need to exit Ganesh Gufa. Immediately when you come down, you have to take right and you'll find Sri Vedavyas Gufa. Okay. Let's go. Okay, you have to come all the way along like that, and you see the landmark here. It says Vyas Gufa. Okay, finally I made it. I came here. Oh, sorry about the way of talking and breathing. Oh, I can't, bro. This is so steep. Okay, India's first tea shop. Let's see if I can have. That is Vyas Gufa.
हम भी तो आए
That is Vyas Gufa.
ये तो एक और ये तो
India's first tea shop. Okay, let's have it.
वो सीरियल में बड़ी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी,
हाँ मोदी जी आए, हंसी बड़ी बड़ी हंसियाँ आई।
फोटो झूठ, हमारा जो ये फोटो है ना, फोटो झूठ नहीं बोल सकता।
बच्चों का बच्चों ये लड़का है, छोटा 7-8 साल का।
We are doing shopping of capes and stoles and shawls. This is a night view of the Tapovan resorts that we are staying. Right opposite us. food court called Bawarchi. And here Alakananda river is flowing in like crazy. That is the ghats that we crossed and came today to go to Badrinath. This is the foothills and this is our resort. We just finished with our dinner. Hi guys. So there were landslides that happened, and yesterday all night it had rained, so because of which there were landslides, 2 active landslides that happened. And we were stuck in the Ghat section for a long time, and we reached by I think 4:35 after finishing our Mana village. It's not Mana, it's Mana. That's how it is written in Hindi. And yeah, after that we came to the room. I was super tired and I was feeling little nauseous, so because of which I took some motion sickness tablets and I slept throughout the journey. I woke up just now and started packing bags because we are leaving tomorrow to Haridwar, back to Haridwar. From Haridwar, then we are going back to Delhi, staying in Delhi for 2 days, doing a lot of travel and food exploring. Let's do a lot of places and food exploring in Delhi. And then right now we are in the dining area of this resort called Tapovan, which is in foothills of Badrinath. So once the dinner is done, we are ready to sleep, and I'll show you the place. The ambience is really good. It's very decent. It's very beautiful. The resort, the room is also really nice. If you want, I can share the contact details also whenever you want to come and stay in Badrinath. So I guess this is a very ideal place to, like stay. Well, that's all for Badrinath vlog, guys. Keeping it really very short because there's very less places to explore in Badrinath compared to Kedarnath, and we didn't do any trekking. So it's a very walkable kind of thing to do in Badrinath. And we wanted to go for darshan at 4 o'clock in the morning, since it was raining all night and it was too chill weather, and we'd finished the darshanam on the previous evening by this time. So we decided let's just skip that part. So yeah, that's it for today's, that's it for the Badrinath Chardham vlog. I'm gonna end this here. Let's see how our Delhi food and travel exploring, food exploring and places exploring goes. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this more informative as well, because I try my level best to keep my vlogs very informative, rather just doing the usual thing. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and it will help you plan your itinerary well. And this is all about our Chardham trip. Thank you so much for watching. Give a like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit that like button if you did like this video. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. High-end life and lifestyle. Bye.
ಏನು ಪಲ್ಯ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
ಕೊಳ್ಕ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ. A quick room tour before we start to Rishikesh. And yeah, this is where auntie would sleep, and this is where me and Pinny would sleep. That is the diary. And balcony view. Sit out. You will see Alakananda river flowing. And this is the dining area over here. See, and that is where the landslides have happened. See there, fresh new one. And this is where this is a reception. So yeah, that's about a quick room tour. Let's go. Good morning, guys. So we are leaving now to Rishikesh, and the weather is like this. It was drizzling a while ago. Now it is pretty cloudy. And do you see these here? That chotu dots, right? So this is to protect from landslides to one extent, it seems. So it will hold when the rocks are falling. Is what I got to know. The landslides that have happened and the works are going on, and we are all ready to start. Oh, cutie, cutie. Oi. Hi guys. इनका नाम संकेत है ना आपका नाम?
जी, संकेत।
संकेत। ओके, तो हम 5 लोग चारधाम आए थे एंड बढ़िया सर्विस दिया एंड अमेजिंग ड्राइविंग स्किल्स था इनका. सो what else should I say?
He was a very amazing driver. He took us very safely and brought us
Yes.
safely.
Yes.
And he took care and he was guided also everywhere, wherever we had to go, and timely his suggestion. So we were able to cover all the things, and he was an excellent driver.
जहाँ भी जाना है पिछले दिन ही बोल देते कि इतने टाइम आपको रेडी होना है, तैयार होके यहाँ पे नीचे आना है. कोई झिकझिक नहीं. ही वॉज वेरी लाइक माइंडेड पर्सन. बहुत मस्ती किया एंड
सब जगहों के बारे में भी उनको अच्छी सी जानकारी है और हमें पहले ही बता देते थे कि ये जगह की महिमा ये है करके. तो अच्छा है.
Sharan on the phone.
हाय शर्मा, गाड़ी नंबर.
show you the गाड़ी number plate. This is the vehicle that we came in, and he has tied the luggage also very neatly. Nowhere there was any damage. So thank you so much. फिर से आएंगे, फिर से मिलेंगे.
Welcome.
Yeah.
जब भी इधर आएंगे आपको phone करेंगे.
I'll share his contact details. It's just in case you want when you come here. Hi guys, on the way to Rishikesh we just stopped near Rudraprayag, and I want to show you the beautiful sangam of this place of 2 rivers. One is Alaknanda and other one is Mandakini. So you can literally spot the difference of the different rivers with the color. And if you've seen Devo Ke Dev Mahadev, in that Mahadev says, don't worry Saraswati, one day you will also see a sangam that happens in my temple, near my temple. So that is the one you can spot the difference. You can see 2 different colors. That is Mandakini and Alaknanda for you guys. Let's click some pictures here and then let's get going, because we have to reach Rishikesh on time to witness the famous Ganga Aarti at Triveni Ghat. Reached Dari Mahadevi temple. Walking towards the temple right now. Okay, it is said that she is the Kshetrapal, the protector of entire Uttarakhand, and when the 2013 floods happened, it was because of the moment of the idol of this goddess, Dari Mahadevi, and once that was kept back, Uttarakhand was again safe. So now after the renovation in 2024, now the temple is, the goddess idol has not been moved, and they have decided to not move is what they say. And since she is the protector of Uttarakhand, nobody can ever, do chedkhani with that idol's movement anymore. So let's see how the temple is. I'll describe you once I get inside. ನೀಡ್ಲು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ. We stopped here for lunch and just heard a news. We just narrow escape from a landslide that has happened in People Koti where we were staying, and Yamunotri also. There's a walkway landslide that has happened where several people are missing and 3 or 4 of them are injured. And we just crossed Badrinath highway, the road that we took. So listening to this news is very saddening. Right now we are in Hotel Chahat and on the way to Rishikesh, and the views are really breathtaking. It's so beautiful here. I'll just show you what all we had for lunch, and lunch was really good. Just the Szechuan fried rice was too very spicy. Looks like he didn't add sauce but added red chili powder. But we had ice creams and everything. Uncle is still enjoying ice cream. He's still having. So let's go. The hotel that I mentioned, it is in Nakot, Chambal district, Nakot, Uttarakhand. So we are right now here. Just had lunch, so just taking some pictures with a beautiful view. So that is the current update. Finally, it is less hot, humid, and now it is gloomy. And that is the name of the hotel, Hotel Chahat. We are going now. We are at Devprayag now, and this is the Sangam of River Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. The views are really nice. Let me show you. Okay guys, time now is 7:30 p.m. and we just arrived at Haridwar. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I really loved recording every bit of this Char Dham trip. I hope you guys enjoyed, and do not forget to hit like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.